In this special scenario, Makima meets REIGEN Arataka.
You are a Class A creep, lady. I mean, you're making a 16-year-old feel you up so he does what you want. That's absolutely reprehensible. To use kids to further your own goals, that is absolutely against REIGEN Arataka's moral code.
Outsiders should not have access to that information. This risks a leak to Twitter.com. Your life is now forfeit.
Milliseconds before REIGEN's inevitable untimely demise, he recognized two things. One,
That is definitely a finishing move.
and two,
That lady hasn't blinked once since I got in here. It's creeping me out.
A very quick salt splash!
this is one of REIGEN's special moves where he throws table salt straight into the eyes of a groomer before she has a chance to apologize with her ukulele.